Greetings, visionaries and innovators. Welcome back to our digital workshop here on our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey, one that will empower your creative spirit. We're about to explore the realms of Canva Pro, and here's the best part. We're doing it absolutely free. Before we dive into this creative adventure, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. You won't want to miss our future tutorials, creative hacks, and design inspirations. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. It's your starting point on this creative journey. Look for the sign-up option on Canva's homepage. You'll find it welcoming and user-friendly. For a seamless experience, use your Gmail account to sign up. This step is like getting a key to your new creative home. If you don't have a Gmail account, don't worry. Creating one is easy and free. After signing up, you might need to verify your account. This is just a quick step to ensure everything is set up correct. Once you're in, take a moment to explore. You're now in a space brimming with templates, tools, and possibilities, all at no cost. In your web browser, open a new tab. This is like opening a secret passage in a mystical book. Type BingoTingo in your search bar. Think of it as a spell that leads you to hidden treasures. Once you land on the BingoTingo page, take a moment to absorb the layout. Scroll down slowly. Every great adventure requires a bit of patience. Here you'll find the download button. This is the moment of anticipation, like the seconds before a magician reveals their trick. Choosing the right option. You'll see 3 options. Select Get Here. It's the secret key to unlock something special. As you complete the process on BingoTingo, your Canva account undergoes a magical transformation. From a free account to Canva Pro, Canva Pro offers a plethora of advanced features, more templates, tools, and options. It's like having a magic wand that turns your creative thoughts into reality. Now it's time to play, experiment, and create. Dive into the advanced functionalities that Canva Pro offers. Your creativity is the limit. As we conclude today's tutorial on accessing Canva Pro for free, I hope this journey has been enlightening and empowering. You're now equipped to elevate your designs to new heights, and all without spending a dime. If you have questions or want to share your experiences, the comments section below is your canvas. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Stay inspired, stay creative.